get this question asked a lot, and I'm going to read it because I wrote the question down. Oops. Anyway, do we have to keep up with trends to be relevant? And people are saying, do I have to go out and buy all these things to stay relevant in the card making industry? And my answer is simple. Heck no. If it's not something that you like or you gravitate towards, then you don't need to use it. You can't force yourself. And I'm just going to use slimline as an example because it's just what I keep getting asked about, because I haven't done any slimline projects on my channel. I don't know if you've noticed that. It's a trend. Everybody jumped on it, and everybody that did and loves it, that's awesome. So I don't think that you have to keep up with new products to stay trendy. So it's kind of like bell bottoms. I hope those don't come back. Personal preference. But it's like those were trendy once upon a time, and I hear they're coming back. I don't know. Not for me. But do I need to go out and buy some bell-bottom jeans to feel fashionable? No, because I would look ridiculous in bell-bottom jeans, let's be honest. I don't feel like you need to cave into the pressure of getting all the latest and greatest to stay trendy. I think to stay trendy is just by doing you. It's by being whatever your style is. If you're into rainbows and unicorns, then do rainbows and unicorns. If you're into dark, gray muted tones, then do gray muted tones. I don't think you have to keep up with the Joneses. That's like a saying, isn't it? Just recently, I saw a YouTube video of this person using this pen that basically picked up like erased watercolor. And I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have this pen. It was only available in Germany. So what did I do? I called up Justine, who lives in Germany. I'm like, grab me this pen. And she's like, okay. Then she texted me a few minutes later and she says, this pen is $45. I'm like, never mind. That was me. I was like, I have to have this pen. This pen, it picks up watercolor. It's probably bleach. Probably bleach in a pen. But anyway, no, I don't think you need to keep up. You need to keep up with the trends to stay relevant. Like I know like Pantone, they have a color that releases every year. I think it's cool to incorporate that color into your projects, but what if it's a color you don't like? Are you going to push yourself to use that color because it's the trend color of the year? No, because if you don't like the color, you're probably not going to make anything that you like using that color. You see what I'm saying? So don't feel like you need to jump into that bandwagon of staying trendy and buying all the latest and greatest things to keep up with what you do. The thing is, you just need to do you. And if you do you, you're going to be happy. If you do you, you're going to like what you make. You know what I'm saying? No. The answer is no. Short and simple, no. You do not have to keep up with the latest and greatest to be on trend, to be relevant. It's just not true. And if you need more than that, then hit me up an email. I'll chat with you about it. But that's my opinion. I don't think you need it. So hope that's helpful to you. And as always, before I go, Max, squirrel, whoopa, blue, where are you going? Hey, you. Hi, Max. Alrighty then.